Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing very well with your family at home. Today, I am Mrs. Sujata Day. Under the segment of Eco Club, I will be sharing some content about the topic pollution. Now, children, what is pollution? Pollution is the process of making the environment pollute the air, water and land by adding harmful substances which causes an imbalance in the environment. This imbalance threatens the survival of all forms of life. Now children, let us find out what are pollutants. Pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. These harmful materials are called pollutants. Pollutants damage the quality of air, water and land. Now, what are 7 types of pollution? These are different types of environmental pollutions are air, water, land, radioactive, thermal, light and sound pollution. How do humans cause this pollution? Human activity is a major cause of air, water and land pollution. Now children, let us find out what is land pollution and its effect. Land pollution, the accumulation of solid and liquid waste materials that contaminate groundwater and soil. Polluted soil leads to loss of fertile land for agriculture. Climate change which causes floods and irregular rainfalls. The endangerment and extinction of species in wildlife. Children, you know major type of land pollutions are. First, agricultural land pollution due to use of chemical fertilizers as well as pesticides, fungicides and insecticides on our agricultural land. Non-biodegradable solid waste, industrial waste, deforestation and mining. Children, how to minimize this land pollution? First, avoid use of chemicals in farming. Second, reduce waste. And third, buy organic products. Now let us find out what is the next step in water pollution. What is water pollution and its effect? Water pollution is the contamination of bodies of water such as rivers, lakes, ponds, oceans, groundwater or wetlands with substances that can pose threats to human health or the natural environment. Now, let us find out what is the most common type of water pollution. The most common type of water pollution is chemical pollution. Chemicals can infiltrate both underground water sources and those sitting on the earth's surface. Now, there are various causes of water pollution. First, industrial waste, sewage and wastewater, accidental oil leakage, chemical fertilizers and pesticides, leakage from sewer lines. Now, how to reduce this water pollution, children? Very simple steps. First, do not dispose of household chemicals, oil, grease or cleaning agents down the sink or toilet. Avoid using the toilet as a waste basket and avoid using a garbage disposal. Now the third very important pollution is air pollution, which we all are suffering a lot. What are the various causes of this air pollution? First, the burning of fuels. Second, exhaust from factories and industries, industrial emission, transportation, open burning of garbage waste, wildfires, microbial decaying process and indoor air pollution. Now there are different ways to reduce this air pollution. The first is taking a bus or carpooling. We must use public transportation. Plant trees or garden. Use public transportation or carpooling. Use your vehicle a lot less often. Do regular car checkups and buy energy efficient vehicles. So these are the steps, if we all follow, can reduce our air pollution. Now children, let us sum up that what are the effects of pollution on the environment as well as our human health. Pollution may muddy landscapes, poison soils and waterways, or kill plants and animals. Air pollution causes damage to crops, animals, forests and bodies of water. It also contributes to the depletion of the ozone layer, which protects the earth from the earth's UV rays, sun's UV rays. Another negative effect of air pollution is the formation of acid rains, which harms trees, soils, rivers and wildlife. Humans are also regularly harmed by pollution. Both short and long-term exposure to air pollution can lead to chronic respiratory diseases, lung cancer and other diseases. Now, how can we prevent this pollution? The first way to reduce pollution is to practice 3 R's concept, namely reduce, reuse and recycle. So children, we must try to step up and use these 3 R's in our day-to-day life. If we all can follow, we can reduce this pollution. Now let us see some famous quotes. Pollution, if you don't kill it, it will kill you. Be a part of the solution, not part of the pollution. Join the green revolution and stop pollution. Thank you, children.